Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Hama 7020 watch, and today I'm going to show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. And power saving mode is useful in cases like if you want to extend the battery life on your watch to the maximum. Maybe in some cases like let's say your battery is low and you want the watch to survive till you're able to charge it, you can turn on the power saving mode. It will extend the battery life. And how it works is also quite simple. It basically disables a lot of the functions of the watch, hence it saves the battery life on your watch because the functions are disabled, so it will the watch will use less power. And I'm going to show you how to enable it and how to disable it. So let's get started. So first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and the option is to basically press any button. And once you wake up the screen, open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen, and here on the quick panel you will see this battery icon. This is the power saving mode icon, and let's say you want to enable it. You simply tap on it, tap on the check mark to confirm, and that's how the power saving mode looks like. Most of the functions are locked basically, so you won't be able to do anything on the watch, and the only things you will see is the time, date, and the battery percentage. And once you decide to disable the mode, the power saving mode, you press the upper button, then press and hold it. Keep holding it until you see this animation complete and you see the normal watch face again. And basically that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.